Welcome to Season 8, Episode 6, the finale.
Voila! I'm going to be showing you a 2-bedroom ground floor apartment. So you can sit on the west side of this property and have a glass of wine in the evening. But what I love about it is it's only 9 properties here, so it's a very small condominium. The advantage of a west-facing balcony is the Algarve sunsets. You can sit here and I promise you, you'll be amazed at the sunsets that go down here.
So here's to you.
Oh, thank you so
And
much.
Merry Christmas.
Okay,
And you
cheers.
too.
Merry Christmas.
Cheers. Merry Christmas.
Looking forward to it so
Enjoy
much.
the Christmas. Ideal.
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Cheers.
Chris
Cheers.
and Claire and all the rest.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Merry Christmas.